I was at the gas station and I bought some Girlies off-brand gummy worms. Let's give it a little. I never buy these candies, so let's give it a little taste test. I got an orange and green one, by the way. I don't know what flavor it is. Ugh. Yeah. Ew. Number 4. Oh wow, all of that shit is horrible. You know, maybe I need to give these Girlies gummy worm another shot. You know, maybe I got a bad one the first time. Oh yeah, you know, I just noticed it's kind of funny. It's it's crate number 4 and it's day 4. All right, here we go. Oh my god, an unusual. No, I'm just kidding. It's dog shit. Later, everybody.